Let's connect Calendly to AnyTrack, starting from the AnyTrack Integrations Catalog. Select Calendly from the Integrations list to open its setup page. Click Install Integration to begin the Calendly connection process. Enter a clear name for the Calendly integration so it is easy to recognize later. Click Create to add the new Calendly integration in AnyTrack. Follow the provided link to open the Calendly token instructions. In Calendly, click Create a token to generate a personal access token. Add a name for the personal access token so you can identify it later. Enable the scheduling scope for this token. Enable the user management scope as well. Enable the webhook scopes to complete the required access. Click Next to continue creating the Calendly token. Copy the generated token so you can paste it into AnyTrack. Return to the Calendly integration in AnyTrack and paste the API token. Click Connect to authorize Calendly with AnyTrack. Set the event value to lead for the Calendly conversion mapping. Update the event mapping to schedule or leave the default as lead. Click Save to complete the Calendly integration.